guys, I bring you good news. This is Aqua and welcome to my YouTube channel. I posted updates on this Arbitrum network some months ago, and people who followed the updates, you guys should be very happy now. So Arbitrum has announced their airdrop on their Twitter and on their Discord account right here. So the thing you need to do is to go to your MetaMask account to know if you are qualified for the airdrop. Permit me, I'm on the road because I need to ensure that you get this information. That is why I'm making this video right now. I want you to get the information as quick as possible. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your MetaMask wallet. All right, so once you go to your MetaMask wallet or whichever wallet you used back then for any Arbitrum transaction, especially the Arbitrum guild, so you go to that particular wallet. You might be using Trust. I used MetaMask wallet, so I would input my password and unlock. So this is my wallet. All I need to do is to click on browser. Browser is at the bottom of the page. You see it right here. Browser is here, so click on browser and you would be taken to this particular page. So once you are here, click on the search button and input the website arbitrum.foundation to know if you are eligible. All right, so once you input that arbitrum.foundation, you click on enter and it loads. All right, so once it loads, you have to connect your wallet to see if you are eligible. So you can see, welcome to the future of Ethereum. Check your eligibility to claim the Arbitrum token, and the claim will be live after 7 days, 0 hours and 12 minutes of me making this video. So what I need to do is to click on connect wallet, select wallet, allow, click on MetaMask and click on connect. Okay, so once you click on connect, then you click on switch network because your network has to be in Arbitrum, on Arbitrum. So you click on switch network, you open your MetaMask again, allow. All right, and all you need to do is to click on check eligibility. Okay, once you click on check eligibility, it loads. You wait for it, boom. So you can see I am eligible for 625 ARB tokens. Okay, so those of you that bridge to the Ethereum network, that did transaction, that had a lot of transaction frequency, that provided liquidity, that did activity in Arbitrum Nova, that provided transaction value, these are the things that they use, all right, to delegate eligibility, all right, to delegate Arbitrum tokens. Okay, so if you did this back then, please try as much as possible to check and ensure that you stay active. In the next 7 days it will be available to claim. Then you can decide to take profits by selling off your Arbitrum token. So that is the update I have for you today. If you want updates like this, please ensure that you follow this channel, ensure that you turn on notification so that whenever we post videos like this, you'll be the first to get them. Don't forget to follow our Twitter, don't forget to follow all our social media handle so that you can easily get updates from there. All right guys, thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. Please do well, share this video to your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.